Hi guys, it's Alan from Car Enhancement UK. Today we're taking this horrible battery tie down off of the MK8 Fiesta and we're going to replace it with this lovely enhanced performance one. Stay tuned. So to begin with, you're going to need to remove your existing battery tie down. And to do this, you're going to remove these two bolts either side and the one at the rear. These two are 10mm. You can do that with either a socket or a spanner, and this one is an 8mm. So all you need to do is take them three out, and then this just lifts off. I'm going to do that for you now. And that just lifts off. Okay, next thing that we're going to do is going to place this back on here. And what you might see is that this bit here is met with a resistance. Now the reason for that is there's a weld on the back of the ECU cover just there, and that stops it from sliding on nicely. However, if you get your socket, or in this case, I'm going to use the gun, but you can either use a socket or a spanner that's got a deep head on it. And what you just need to do, just pop that over there and just gently pop it down. And as you saw there, I did that in stages. And what you'll see is that that actually goes past the welded point and sits nicely. You're then going to take this one here and you're going to do the same thing. All I would say is push your battery cage in. And you'll see that as it goes down, it slides out as well. And that's literally all there is to it. 1, 2. So remember, if you do find there that this won't go down, just get your socket and ratchet it in nicely. As you saw when I was doing it then, I didn't go bang straight down with the gun. I eased it in bit by bit. And you can see now that that is in and it's solid. That's a job done. So once that's installed, you'll be left with this. You can pop this aside. You can either dispose of it, you can upcycle it and turn it into something else, or just pop it somewhere until you sell the car, and you might want to put that back to standard. And you'll remember that when this was on, it had 3 bolts in there, there were 1 just there. Now what I'd normally recommend is just pop that bolt back in there just so you don't lose it. It's going to be a lot easier to keep track of it back where it belongs than keeping it somewhere with this and it floating around. But yeah, other than that, that is job done. Just make sure that it's all tight and away you go. It looks a lot better than the standard one, doesn't it? So thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that a useful guide. I know it's really simple and it was only 2 bolts, but you'd be shocked at how many people struggle with this sort of thing. So I hope that that little video has helped. These are now available to purchase on our website. They come black with the Enhanced Performance EP logo on the front. They're available with next day delivery, and we also supply them with replacement stainless steel nuts. So if you've had your car a while, then nuts do start to go rusty and a bit nasty. Our stainless steel are A4 chemical grade nuts, so that won't happen to them. Okay, so get one ordered, get it on there, send us your photos in, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to go find somewhere to put this. Cheers guys.